What's the tea, everybody? My name's Elaina, or Lada Deluxe, that's here on Fridays. And today's Friday, that means Fridays are a drag. You can find me on What Presents Plus, Painted with Raven Season 2, available right now. You can find all kind of face paint, celebrity impersonations, and drag looks on my channel. Check them out. So today's video, obviously, we're doing Pandora Nox. And this is from Drag Race Germany Season 1. She's been doing real well. She's a AFAB, biological female, and I'm very proud of her. She's amazing, and she's very cartoonish like this, so it was a pleasure to do this look. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on social media. All the links are down in the description box, so let's get right into this. So I started with the Revolution Pro Foundation F10, Kimchi the most concealers in medium beige and solid white, and I quickly did the base. She doesn't contour a lot or highlight a lot. The base is very simple, so I didn't spend a lot of time doing those things. I did decide to contour a little bit, although her face is not very structured except for the eyes. So this is Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick and mink, and I'm just doing cheekbones. She has very defined cheekbones. The chin is very different from me. She has more of a square, kind of flatter face. My face is more like a narrow, and hers is more square. It seems like people have that type of shape more often. That's why sometimes I struggle with some people's faces because, I mean, if you do an impersonation, it's just not gonna work. This is the very, very subtle nose contour. Her nose contour is mostly around the top where the eyes are, so it doesn't matter. I already set myself, so I'm doing the powder contour with Kimchi contour palette, and this is 01 Tawny, and not as dark as chocolate. Just a little bit of chin. I'm leaving outside, like a side on my chin, white or light, because we want to them to appear a little lighter. Again, very subtle nose contour, a little bit of highlight here, and that's pretty much it, the base. So now I'm just gonna have to bake. There you go, I'm already baked, and we're using the pencil. So I wasn't sure how I was gonna go about it. Maybe if I had to think again, I would do eyes first, but there's a lot going on there, so I decided to get the base out of the way, and I'm just using pencil. And now I'm going to use Blend Bunny Search Palette, and we're going to use black to set the black, obviously. And since I'm baked, I don't worry about the fallout. And we're going to use this shape right now. Look like an Angry Bird, pretty much. Do you guys remember Angry Birds? Everybody who used to play those. So I look like one of those things. And I'm just going by the picture she posted on Instagram. Using the same black pencil. You can pretty much use any black as a base. I decided to have base first before I set it with eyeshadows, so the black is more deep, and on the pictures it's gonna come out a little more solid rather than transparent. Using Beauty Bay gel liner to add yet more black in the places where the pencil just wasn't cutting anymore. I need more space covered. So I'm creating the new eyeliner. That's pretty much all eyeliner because we're doing like a real crazy huge eye. It reminds me of kind of a cartoon character or something. I don't know. Using more base because now we're creating the actual eyelid on my forehead. This is very Trixie-ish and Trixie-ish or Rock'em Sakura-ish, but bigger, even bigger. And using another Blend Bunny palette, Primal, for this kind of a burgundy purplish look. And just creating a big AF circle here. And that's going to be our new eyelid crease. And I'm going to cut the crease pretty much like a regular beauty makeup, but on your forehead instead. Yeah, those eyes took me a while, to be honest. That's why I did a full voiceover, because I had to go by the picture and see the proportions and make them as big as possible. Obviously, my forehead is big, so I have a lot of room to work with. Doing the same thing on the under eyes. I added some more base in there. Now we're doing pretty much the same colors. Later I'll add a little more black under to blend with the purples. so it's all gonna be blended together with a good blend. Now I'm using the neon greenish kind of yellowish color with the eyelid. I'm not sure if she had neon. I think she just had yellow, but I'm an extra person, so I'm gonna go with yellow and add a little bit, well, neon first and then a little yellow eyeshadow, like right here, and make it a little like ombre-ish halo eye kind of look. I think that's what she had going on, judging by the picture. And I'm using the same shadows here. And we're going to use Kimchi, the F in white liner in the crease. I did this off camera, adding a little more white base. I'm going to set this with white eyeshadow as well. So that's your new eye, like a huge eye. And it's going to look cool with the contacts in, because contacts need to be like matching makeup. Yes, I got 4 pairs of eyelashes on each eye. The huge drag lashes on top and the small ones at the bottom. Now we're doing this cartoonish nose using gel liner, and then I'm gonna use water activated liner to clean up the lines actually, because it wasn't as even. And this is Maybelline lipsticks, pretty much black lip. I don't think she overlines a lot, but I wanted to overline a little more because, you know, bigger the better. And I used a little more overlining off camera and some more gel liner to even out the contour of the lip. And she's here, Pandora Nox. I'm kind of feeling it, but not. And I'm explaining to you why. I don't feel it on my own face shape. She looks amazing. But on me, it's like, I don't know, something is not right. But yeah, I love the look. I love how animated she is. And I love that she's a biological female, of course. And she's on Drag Race Germany. So if you guys haven't watched yet, go check out Drag Race Germany Season 1. It's on Rpdr Plus right now, and it's been like 5 episodes already. And if you see a little white here, that's Shanji. Shanji, say hello to the audience. Say hello. He came to dig on my table. He's burying stuff. Sorry for distraction. Most of the time, people like the distraction in my videos. Cats are always welcome. And I'm gonna try not to make him green and black. Anyway, so yes, I pinned the wig, one of the wig on top of the other, like I did on Painted with Raven, and it's very haphazardly. You can't really wear it out. Her wig, obviously, is one wig, you know, custom made, green and black. It looks really awesome. I love the combination of colors. That's another reason I chose this look. I like this kind of burgundy, purplish color and green. I love the combination. It looks very Halloween as well. Of course, I tried to make earrings of Nox, but I tried to cut them out of the paper, and the N went real well, and when I got to the O, it was O-O-S-H-I-T. You can't really make O very even from paper cutting with scissors, so I'm like, nah, I'll just wear my little lemons. You know, it's something there. Anyway, yeah, I love the look. I did some things off camera. The nose was pretty much gel liner and a little bit of water activated liner to clean it up. These are gems. I just use Lush glue and some gems, and kind of gives you illusion. And I kind of like it gives you almost like a feline look, the nose, so I like that part. I like black lips, but overall the shape is just like, it just doesn't look right on me for some reason. Or maybe I've just been staring at it so long I'm not feeling it. But I love her, and I hope she does well. She's been doing real well. It looks like she could just win the whole thing. I'll be like, yes, finally. One female is gonna win Drag Race. I mean, why not? She's contortionist and she's amazing. Have you seen her perform? Like, go on YouTube or her Instagram, check out the way she performs. I'm like, holy cow! I mean, she can like twist herself all over the place. It's amazing. I would just break my neck if I tried. Anyway, let me know what you think in comments, and have you been watching Drag Race Germany? And let me know who else you'd like me to do, like whose face. And like this video if you enjoyed it, leave me a comment and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and press the notification bell. Follow me on social media, the links are down in the description box. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next fabulous video, handies. Bye!